Hello, welcome to the next session of staircase construction. My name is Serge Girimbabazi.
And I am Habiman Ngabire Devota. We are both trainers at Rwanda Polytechnic School.
In the previous video, we saw how to produce different joints of a stair.
Let's now continue with dry assembly. Enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, I'm Benny Katawizi, a carpentry trainer at Rwanda Polytechnic School. Today I welcome you to the fifth session of wooden staircase construction. The objective of this session is that at the end of this video, you will be able to perform or to follow all steps needed in stair tray assembly. I'd like to request you to follow attentively and record some keynotes or key steps so that at the end it may help you. Here we are going to need some tools. We will need, of course, measuring tools and marking tools. Means we need the folding ruler and a pencil. Apart of this, the materials that we are going to work with is mainly screws. Means if you work with screws, we need the power driller. Now let's see together the steps involved in tray assembly of staircase construction. The first step is to position the post in the place. Second is to tie the post with the stringer as they are not fixed anywhere. The stringers are screwed at the bottom and at the top for strength and stability. Means you have to screw them into the post. If we say that they are screwed at the bottom, then you are screwing in the newer post. If we say that they are screwed at the top, then they are screwed at or on exit post. Then next is to put another post, means the other landing post, in the position. Remember that our crossed stringer is only fixed in one post, which is the landing post. Therefore, while adjusting the landing post, we will need to fix at the same moment the landing frame. The landing frame is first fixed into the post for the support. The second is to maintain the stair dimensions, means the stair width. But in case we have the wall stringer, this is the one to fix first because it is fixed on the wall. The following step is to fix the crossed stringer. If the crossed stringer is fixed, next is to adjust at least one thread, mainly in the middle, so as to level the posts, stringers, and the whole stair in general. This means the whole first flight or the lower flight. Like this, you are having a reference of a leveled stair. If leveling is done, next is to adjust the remaining threads. You have to screw some of them, but not all of them, as we are not performing permanent assembly. It's just for trial assembly. As the first flight is done, now let's deal with the next flight, means the upper flight. Here what we need is to see and check if the staircase produced will fit in the dimensions of the stair that we are having, means the one we have recorded. We have to fix at least one stringer, which will help us to tie the post, means the exit post, so that we can fix the ending landing. Remember to apply the measurements as designed and calculated for accuracy checking. If it is done properly, then we have to fix the exit landing so that we check if its position match with the total lies recorded. Last step is to fix the balustrades. Now the trial assembly is done. We have tried to fix the main components of the staircase. The rest will be fixed according to the factor on the site. Hope that everything was fine, and see you in the next video of final assembly.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.
goodbye.